Good morning. Today our topic of discussion will be on this program, which is question number 4. Today we are going to discuss about topic number 4. Now in the topic number 4 we are going to check the result of the student based on grades. I am going to check the result of the student based on grades. So now what I am going to do is that I am going to find out if the student has passed or failed. If the grade is greater or equal, even I will put the word equal. If it is equal to 60 also, I say the student has passed. If the grade is less than 60, then we say the student has failed. Now let us try to make it in this way. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to open Visual Basic as we did before. Now you can see that the program is about what? Grade of the student. Okay, like for example, let us assume that I am going to have 2 courses or 3 courses. Now I am going to take 2 courses, for example. Okay, I am going to take the 2 courses. For example, one student is studying, I assume that the student is studying 2 courses now. Okay, I copy and I paste it. So there are 2 inputs now in my question, and I paste. This is for output to give the result whether the student has passed or failed. I will place one more button here to make sure that what is the result. Like for example, result. What is the result of the student? If I click the button, I should get the answer whether the student has passed or failed. Now I have a label. Just I type it here. Control C or Control V. Even you can use a keyboard. Control C and Control V. Control C is copy. Control V is paste. Now you see this is a basic structure of the code, that the design that you have done. Now I go to the property window, label. I change the text property. I change it as result of the student. Result of the student. I want to find the result of the student. Label 2. I am entering here. What I am entering is that course 1. Course 1. For example, I just give course 1. Then I give here course 2. Course 2. The student is taking 2 courses. Then I am giving here in this one result. Okay, now you see this is the design. You can have 5 courses, 6 courses, whatever you want. Just for my explanation, I am taking 2 courses now. Now I will double click this button to write the code. The condition is if the val of text box 1, because I am getting the inputs in 2 text boxes, is greater or equal to 60, and means and also the value of text box 2 dot text is greater or equal to 60. That means both the values, if it is more than 60 in text box 1 and in text box 2, then in text box 3 dot text you will type it as pass. The student has passed, because if both. Okay, else even if anyone is not actually correct, what we will do, even if anyone is not correct, I will give it as text box 3 dot text equal to fail. I will type it as fail. Now we are done. Now you see I run the program. I enter the mark of the student 60. I enter the mark of the student 61. Student has passed. Let us assume I enter the student mark as 54. Student has failed, because in any one course, even if the mark is less than 60, he has failed. Now let us save the file. Save all. I write here result of the student. Save. Now I hope this is very clear for you, and it's very easy. Practice the program as I told you. Practice it, because the common problem is with the students is that they type the things wrongly and the syntax is not clear. Thank you and see you again.